Alright, so now I'm gonna work on my tow hitch, and I'm going to attach markings, towing hitch, cargo basket, foldable one. Let's see how much time it's gonna take. So I got wrist torque because I need it for the bolts that I'm gonna put in there. And let's see, let's unpack the boxes and let's see how much time it's gonna take. So first thing, as usual, we're gonna check if there's any damage, quality control, just to make sure everything is okay and all the parts are in the box. So I just unpacked it, everything looks good. Now we're gonna proceed to the installation. So it's got a nice instructions, pretty straightforward. Over the pictures, pro installation time 30 minutes, novice installation time 60 minutes. Probably it'll take more than that for me because I'm a rookie, man. I'm not pro, so I haven't had experience on working on my cars. So we're gonna need ratchet, torque wrench, 10, 12, 17, and 19 millimeter sockets, and then 16 socket extension, screwdriver, rotary tool, safety glasses. So a drill is required. So it's pretty much straightforward. So with the pictures, so we're gonna follow along the instructions. So let's see. So I just put a little cardboard underneath so I can remove the tabs, the plastic cover. I got a screwdriver and flathead screwdrivers, and then crossbar. So what do we got here? Cross, and then regular plastic tabs. Alright, so let's do it. Now we remove the plastic tabs. I'll have to unscrew the screws right now. Probably I'm gonna use a gun for that. And keep the tabs. Because we're gonna need it when we install it back. Cover it back. Alright, so now all the screws and tabs are out. I'll just have to pull this one out now, and I'll do the same thing on the passenger side. This is the driver's side. And make sure you got safety glasses on because mine was a little bit sandy for some reason. And, it's a little bit inconvenient. I got my ratchet with a 12 millimeter socket. The extension should be good now. I'm gonna unscrew it. You might have a hard time to pull this one off. So yeah, it took me a while because it was so loose it wasn't unscrewing. But it's good. I took it off, so I'll do the same thing. On the right side, I already took off some tabs and unscrewed some screws, so there's only one left. I'm gonna use a 12 millimeter socket for this, and I think the other one was 17. Yeah, it's actually 10 and 17. Now we're going to remove the plastic cover. Everything is removed, so we're gonna remove this, and then unscrew the 17 millimeter. Now I'll have to remove those plugs with a screwdriver. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. This is the driver's side. So now all the plugs are out. I'm gonna put the hitch, tow hitch, and for that, I got a dolly so I can push it inside slowly. I had a surgery and I can't lift heavy stuff, so probably it works out fine with me. Alright, so I'm inside now. This is the tow hitch. Everything looks fine. So this is holding up. Alright. Okay, so you can see it here. Everything is on the dolly. I'm not lifting it, so I'm not using any force right now. So, okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the bolt here, the first one, and then I'm gonna go to the other side and tighten up that one. So I got this one in a little bit loose. I'm gonna tighten up a little bit and then move to the other side. So right here, struggling a little bit, but it's okay, it's worth it. So this is how it looks like so far. I'm so happy. So just gotta tighten up the other side, that's all. And now I have to attach this side. And I'm gonna put all the bolts and tighten up with the torque wrench. Alright, so it looks cool. It's right here. Now I'll have to put all the bolts, tighten it up, torque wrench, and then cut the plastic cover according to the instruction, and then we're good to go. And then I'm gonna put the Mach-In's cargo basket. So now one side is done. I haven't screwed it with the torque wrench yet. I'm gonna do the left side, driver's side. Once again, it's a 19mm socket. Alright. Now we're gonna open hitch mount cargo carrier with cargo bag. Mach-In's. So my car is ready with my baby. Trip to Washington, D.C. and back. About 500 miles, maybe more than that. Top cargo is ready.